Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today, going to be talking about another one of Mobi's, well-known but still walking the road 87s. Recently, did the video on each of them called Zado. Right. He was one of the major players them when it comes on to murder, shootings, etc. in St. James. As you know, he's now deceased. Today, I could talk about 87 briefly touched on before, but now we're going to look a bit more details. Talking about Oshane Francis, aka Bruck. Right. This youth, long time problem, man. Right. But before I go into it, two quick things. The first one is, today is going to be a 2-for-1. Long time I do a 2-for-1. Two videos I dropped today. This one and one will be following shortly after. That video will be about another one of the anti-gang clansmen them who has been killed. Yes, one more. And originally it was about 50 or 60 man. Right. Some of them they bust the case early, some of them bust it late. One of them I bust it, them kill him on Marshpen Road. I'm going to do that video right after this, or that video I could drop right after this. So, you don't want to miss it. Oh, and link your favorite soup and green, them don't want to miss it either. Next thing is, we see the family of the Deputy Chief of Corrections, Orville Moore, come out and say they want answers to them questions. The authorities them, right, now give them what they want. Authorities them move spooky. So, I'm going to look and see if them give the people them answers today. This thing right there, so, it's even worse than I thought. So I watch this what I go on today. And then tomorrow, well, we're gonna have to help the family. But this one stinks. We're gonna move into the Bruck video. Let me say, another 87 that's been killing years now. Said it, right? Ad nauseum. It's a minority of 87s committing the majority of murders. These people, they refer to them as repeat offenders. That's what you have in our man. Repeat offenders. It's like 187 kill like 5-6 people, 10 people, 15 people. Right. There's 587 in our community or in our area. Can commit 20 to 30 murders easily. So it appears there's 20 to 30 youth are running and shoot people. It's not. Right. Bruck I wanted them youth, just like Zado. Well, Bruck has been active, right, when it comes on to the various problems in St. James, Mount Salem and them places. You probably hear about the Junglist gang and the Alliance gang and the Pigot Street man them. And from time to time them change their names. Now them even call themselves the KDF. You know them far up in the place them called KlLLNG. Right, so KDF means Caton Defense Force. You can't make this up. So, you have JDF and KDF. Bruck on this type of youth, even when him not involved, him gang or him bridging them, and linking them involved. Let me give you an example. You remember a shooting will take place in an upscale community in St. James. Expensive area, expensive homes, and there's a school in the area. Let me say upscale thing. You to then call Chadwick Dryden. Him did have female youth going to the school or female youth going to the school. As he was waiting to pick up his son from the school, this is early 2021. As he was waiting for his son, the man them attack him. He ran onto the school compound them chase him and kill him. Well, Bruck was a part of that. Yes, Bruck carried out that murder with you have people there with him, but Bruck was the main man in that attack. Now about a month or so after that, the man then go back go kill, and this is enemies now. Go back go kill Bruck and Bridging, what they call Father God. Yes, he was a quote-unquote artist, and his name was Father God. I think I did a video upon him. Now, this quote-unquote artist, of course, they will tell you it's just words. When you're watching music video them, when you listen to him content, you can see music is very, let's just say, acidic, to say the least. But as I said, it's just words. Right? So the man them kill the quote-unquote artist. After that, Bruck and them go on, I guess you can call it a rampage of sorts, because them decide say them not take that because they kill the artists and all kind of things. Remember I did a video, it was a viral video, the drop off a shooting that was recorded, right? And catch it on camera in that place they called Peace View. Right, the pic is on your screen. Right. From once you see this picture, you're going to remember it. Right. If you saw the video. 87s pull up, go in a shop, fire, be a gunshot, and run gun on the road, pick me up and down. Complete chaos. Remember that? Well, Bruck was there too. Bruck helped carry that out. So, Bruck, just like the others, right, carry out shootings, carry out murders. Right. Police might go in, hold on upon him, then them say, right, come in for the ID parade, the bad not turn up. Right, you say, right, him get locked up, and him come up on the road. It's a revolving door at this point. Right. Murders all over the place. Not just tragic, as I say, multiple murders. But what make Bruck such a problem for St. James is the fact that in morning 87 they were don't seem to know how to take a break. You have 87 there, them carry a shooting, then them go lay low for a while and you can't see them, and it's like, I wonder if them turn Muslim or Christian or something like, you're not from them. Then them turn up again, Bruck then just constant with it. Constant. Because them know how the system works. Them know so them can shoot people in a broad daylight, and as long as the witness don't turn up, nothing will come out time. And they know they instill so much fear in a people's heart. Right, that's right, about not turn up. And them also know that people are not in a rush, right, to take big risks when it comes on to 87s. For some reason, the fighting spirit in Ironman doesn't apply to 87s. You can have 3 people with a gun, you can have a security force personnel with a gun, you can have a licensed firearm with a gun, and you can have an 87 with a gun. Right, the 87 is the last person people ever test. Right, listen, Iron Man is not Haiti. But you see on Haiti, right, the citizens are now attacking the gangs. Even the UN report say, right, the groups them in Haiti are having an effect, right, in reducing gang activities. The people them are turn around and a chop off hand, chop off foot, all kind of things. Have gang members with gun. Man, I use cutlass to take on 87 with gun. And but I see it in Iron Man. People have all the time in the world to bring the fight to, a policeman will tell them to don't park right there. So, JD soldier, one man checkpoint, that's where people become Zulu warriors. But people like Zado can reign freely in the community. People like Bruck can reign freely in the community, but not take them on. Or you can kill them mother than granny. Not down to them. So walk around and say, They never walk around so freely. Boy, I'm afraid. I tell Prime Minister Umbrella, don't worry about Haiti. History shows them will figure it out and fix their own problems. Worry about St. James. Worry about people like Bruck. Worry about KDF. Can you imagine KDF? Sure say man take this thing to a joke right now. When 87 start call themselves that you know to them take this, they don't even take the security forces serious anymore. When they all call themselves KDF. Right, at this point, it's mockery. Incredible. Anyway, HM Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Vulture Squad, stay circling. Bless.